Hello, this is not the end with lesson 9, the treble or the triple crochet stitch. This will be the last basic stitch that I'm going to show you. You don't need anything else after this. We went through all the other stitches, all the other basic stitches, and I don't know if you've been told this or not, but that's what comprises all the stitches that you see in crochet. How about that? All the variations, all the different namings of variations, they all stem from the basic stitching and basic techniques of crochet. So let's get started. Now this is a stitch that I hardly ever use because it's mainly used for cables, and I hadn't graduated myself to cables yet. I'm looking forward to that, but I'm more than willing to show you the stitch. It's a pretty long stitch. It's sort of like the double crochet with an added loop on it. But if you want to do the stitch, there's nothing stopping you from doing it. So let's get started. For a stitch this tall, I would normally do a chain, but I would probably also do a foundation chain or foundation row. But since we're just doing this for purposes of showing you how to do the stitch, I'm gonna forego that. Let's see, we'll get started. Now it's almost exactly like the double crochet stitch that I showed you in lesson 8. The only difference is you wrap twice. Then you insert. Now this is going to be a pretty tall stitch, so you probably need to come down at least, not this one, not that one, probably on the third one, and insert your hook, pull through, and you're going to do 2 at a time. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. See that? 1, 2, 3. Let me turn it around so we can see it. See, it's just basically a chain stitch. It's just standing up. Let's do some more so you can sort of see a little better how it is. Now remember, when you hardly have anything on your hook, it's kind of hard to deal with everything. So we're going to 1, 2, and go into the next chain, pull through, 2, 2, 2. Over twice, insert into the next chain, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through, well, if it's gonna let me, pull through 2. See? Nice little tall stitches. Now I'm gonna go to the end, and then I'll get right back with you. Okay, I've done all of it except for the last one. Remember, you do not put a stitch in the knot. And there's the last one on the row, the last loop on the row. Twice, down, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Try to memorize what each stitch look like from the front and the back. That'll come in handy because, believe it or not, you'll be able to pick apart somebody's work if you know what the stitch looks like. You say, oh, okay, well, she did that there and she did that there. Or he did that there and he did that there. Okay, if you're going to turn and go back down the top with the treble / triple stitch, you're going to have to elevate the chain. One, this is pretty tall. Two, you don't want to lean in. Three, turn your work. So let's make sure we get it right. Wrap around the needle twice. Go into this one. Pull through. Pull through. That leaves 2 on the shaft. Pull through. Yeah, it looks a little better. 1, 2. The next one. It's kind of a loose stitch, so you might have to tighten your tension a little bit. And it understandably so, is a yarn eater. To the next one. 2, 2, 2. There you go. One standing on top of the other. Okay, I'll get back with you when I get to the end. Okay, I'm coming to the end. Twice around the shaft, down, pull through. And you can use your thumb and your index finger to help kind of hold the stitch. 2, 2, 2. Twice, down, pull through. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Go down, pull through, pull through, pull through. 2. And I think that might be it. If I have to use it, I would use it. Like I said, this stitch is mostly used for cables. You know, how you see them laying over this way, then some of them will lay over that way. That's how cables are made. And you can also extend this even further. Let me see. Let's do another. Oops. Oh, this yarn is getting old. Yes. Cause it's splitting like crazy. When I bought it, it wasn't doing that. Okay, I think I got all the plies together. 1, 2. I'm gonna put it in here just for show. 1, and you can do like 1. You can do 2. Then you can do 2. You can do 2. You can do 2. Now I'm sure this is a stitch that somebody said, I created this stitch, but everything, all the stitches have a variation, and you can do with them what you want to do with them. You know, the crochet police ain't gonna get you. But see how long that sucker is? That's a complete chain. And that's the treble / triple crochet stitch. Mainly used for cables, but it's okay to have that in your crochet stitch repertoire. Is that how you say it? Just in case. You never know when a pattern that you're doing might call for it.